Today, I'm going to walk you through how to link a task to a story in Jira. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in making these connections, which are crucial for tracking progress, clarifying relationships between issues, and keeping your project organized. Whether you're brand new to Jira or have used it a while but never explored linking, you'll find this guide practical and easy to follow, so let's get right to it. First, let's open up the task you want to link. In Jira, everything starts with finding the right issue. Head over to your project. If you're not sure which project your task is in, you can use the search bar at the top. Once you're in the project, look through the list or use the filter tools to zero in on the exact task you want. Go ahead and click to open that task's details page. Think of this like opening a file folder on your desk. You need full access to everything inside before you can make changes or connections. Now, on the task's details page, we're going to look for the option to link issues. Depending on how your Jira instance is set up, you might see a link issue field right on the page, or you may need to click an action button or a more dropdown. It's often represented by 3 dots or a little link symbol. If you're having trouble spotting it at first, don't stress. Jira layouts can vary from team to team. Give yourself another moment to scan the options. It's usually near where you assign users or update the task status. Once you've found it, the next step is to choose what kind of link you want to create. When you click Link Issue, you'll get a dropdown or a menu with several choices like Relates to, Is Blocked by, Blocks, and Duplicates. Take a moment here. This is more than just a technicality. Choosing the correct link type helps everyone on your team understand how these issues interact. For example, use Relates to if there's just a general connection, maybe they reference the same requirement. Is blocked by means your task literally can't move forward until the story is done. Think of it like a locked door. The story is the key. Blocks is the opposite. The story can't finish until this task is complete. And duplicates is for those situations where the same work was logged twice. Select the link type that best fits your needs. It's worth that extra second to get it right. Next, we need to find and select the story you want to link to. If you know the story's key offhand, like PROJ123, type it directly in the field. Don't worry if you don't. Jira gives you a search function right there. Start typing the story's name or even part of it and matching results will pop up. Make sure you select the correct issue from the list. It's easy to pick the wrong one when there are similar titles. Double-check that key or summary to be sure. Finally, just confirm the link. You'll usually see a complete, add, or similar button. Click that to finish. After a few moments, you should see the linked story appear directly on your task. And if you jump over to the story, you'll notice the task is now listed there too. This creates a clear, visible relationship between the two, making everyone's workflow smoother. And that's it. Linking a task to a story in Jira might seem like a small detail, but it's a powerful way to keep your project transparent and free of bottlenecks. If this video helped, please give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have questions or if there's something in Jira you'd like to see covered next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.